Good morning, guys. What a beautiful morning it is. I've been taking pictures all morning, and I really kind of have not lost interest, but have been more on the studying side lately for some reason because it's so freaking interesting. See that? But the icicles on the trees are just... And of course, as soon as I walk out, everything goes kooky for Cookie Puffs. The wind starts blowing, the ice starts falling, you know. That's a nice little door right there. Oh, it's a double door. Look at it. See it? Right to that tree, and then perfect loop right to that tree. That means the door would be right there. Right there. What do we got coming in? Look how perfect that whatever, I mean, it looks like a tree, but hey, I saw you. What was that tiny little thing, a mouse? Did you see that? One of these days you guys are going to answer me. It's going to freak me out. That was weird. Anyway, wow, I see. Hold on a second. Okay, you see this? And then you got your horizontals. The horizontals are normally your portals, but, and then it comes to a door. Right here, looks like there's a door right here. Now look what happens when you get close up to it. I mean, isn't that crazy? Like, this is what we see. A little light coming through, you know. It's absolutely beautiful, but then you go up to it, and stuff you don't see that are not part of our tree. What is that? No, that is a leaf. That thing that's moving right above it is probably not. That would be what I call all these little things that we can't see with our own eyes, which are usually dimensional birds in this case. Oh, that looks like a snake. Oh, a serpent. Who are you, peeker? What do you... Now, see, that is not a leaf. It is a leaf, but I mean, there's something in it. You get my joke. And over here, too. That is how flippin' tiny they are. You see it? Look at the tree moving behind it. Okay, now remember, it's frozen. I'll keep this right there. Is that thing looking at me? Now, those things swaying right there are not connected to a tree. They're not connected to anything. It's I can't explain it. It's very bizarre. I thought I could get a different aspect though with ice on it, and I think I'm going to get just that. Now that's big. Now look at that. Really? I love this camera. Wow. Okay, now these would be the strings, or the here, here, here. Your verticals right here going up. But if you were following, it would go into a loop, more than likely, but it never, you can never trace it back to a tree. Look at that, it looks like like a bunch of ladders. Now see, they are holding up that, right there. They're holding up what to me looks like a perfect landing spot for a UFO right here. Right in the middle. And these little tiny seeds, especially right there, that big one right here. In the background we're looking. Now look, tree trunks don't move. In this case it's kind of hard to tell if it's an optical illusion or not, but it looks like a pretzel. Look at that. Ooh, that is a massive serpent. Do you see his eye? There's his eye right there. Oh my God. Actually, it's 3. I'm sorry. Look at it. Oh my God, it is a freaking UFO. Look at them all. Oh my God. That's exactly what it is. Right here, right now. And look how tiny they are. They're so tiny. See them? You can't miss them. I can't point because I'm too zoomed. Look at that. And see inside the frame? There's 3 of them right there. Boom, boom, boom. Did you see how it's moving? There's something holding it up, but it's not a flipping tree, okay? And come back here, you can't see it at all. Look, that's how far up I am. But I saw what looked like the columns in the trees. It's weird how they all just column, and you can see like a hallway. And if I see a little clump, because I am blind, in a tree, that's where I go. Look at that. Oh, wow. That is a beautiful serpent right there. Although it does have wings, it could have been a bird. It's a mouth. Jeez. That is spectacular. Again, trees don't grow like that. But the dogs kept looking down this way this morning. I mean, they were like just obsessed. Man, we got there. Somebody trying to keep warm, maybe? If that's the case, then that means they're here. Look at how that comes out and goes right down to where? And then you got that other really, really black thing that doesn't belong. The head ends halfway up the tree. Look. Look how, oh my God, that's a pretty tall tree, isn't it? And look on the ground. There they are, 1, 2, and here's the 3rd one right here. Right there. He's not, look, now his head's down at the cross section of that black thing, which is, I don't know what it is, but let's look from back here. Now look at that. It just doesn't make any sense to me. But, they always come in 3s, as I told you. But they're separated right here, which is great. If I can zone in on it, but no, I'm not walking up to it, because if they are here, they'll never trust me again. Number 1. It's just going to look like a freaking tree anyway. Because it is a tree. Technically. Arrow pointed that way. There's a portal. Where's the door? Portals don't know. Oh, maybe it's a backwards one. It's going this way. They're going up, perhaps. Just a thought. And maybe the door's up here instead. I don't know. Look at that. Come on. That's not a tree behind it. Wow. That looks like a flipping machine. That thing's moving. Tell me, whoa, what just happened there? Are you seeing this? Look at the one in the back. What is it? What's going on there? That is metal if I've ever seen it. Or mercury. Oh, look, now it's cut it into 3 pieces where the horizontals are. What the hell? And there's no bottom. It's just right there. It's coming in from, oh my God. From right there. Holy cannoli. Wow. I would imagine that I don't know if the weather has anything to do with how fast or differently they solidify, but that was, I'm not going to be able to find it again, I guarantee it. Shit. Oh man, that was badass. Rachel, perfect X. Hello. I know somebody's in there. That would be the galactics for sure. So they're over here, and the dimensionals are over to my right. Look at them icicles. See, look, it's still swaying, but it disappeared. What? Wow. Who's this little guy up there? A couple of them. He's purple. Hello. If it was one of our birds, it would have flew away by now. I think that guy's showing me his butt. Oh my God. Absolutely spectacular. Look at him up there. He looks like he's got a real fuzzy head. Look at the perfect horizontal right there. It's perfect. They're coming in like crazy right now. It's amazing. This big hole here. It's amazing what the dogs can see. The dogs know everything. They walk outside and they just know what direction to look and what's going on. Probably dying to tell us, but they can't. They got a little guy in the shoe here. Yeah, there's someone there. Hey, you. Poke yourself out here so I can get a look at you. Hello. I said I would not. Okay, is that an eyeball? To the left. It's not. It's one of those little tiny dimensional birds. Because these are leaves. And it doesn't look like there's anything in them, but... Wow. Spectacular. Alright. It's very, very cold. What do we got there? Oh. That really is a stump. I wish I could whistle. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Yeah. I think just hit the tree. But you see the difference in the color between that and that? This is initially what we were looking at earlier. So let's see what it looks like now. Like, it's a different color white in the background. Like right here, it's obviously more, wow. Yeah, I'm definitely starting to think that is a craft. Okay, like right here. The end of that stick is trying to touch the end of that other stick to close the X right here. Oh, okay. See, look, they're trying to touch noses or something. Come on. And that will close the circle. They're almost there. Look at that beautiful X. I didn't even see it. Well, aren't you handsome? Alright, so it's ice on me, so Let's go and get some clothes on.